So, hi there guys, today we're going to do a video of this vintage 1989 pneumatic Nuvac. Now, I got this off eBay not so long ago, probably about 2 to 3 weeks ago. I've had this now. Had to go all the way up to Stevenage to collect this, and I'm very pleased with it. It came with the original hose and original water tank and stuff, and the water tube. The wand and the floor tool didn't come with it. This is just ones that I have that it would come with. The hose is not like a standard pneumatic Henry hose. This one's 3 meters long instead of the 2 meters. It's got an extra long one on there. At the moment it's set up for a dry cleaner. It's basically the equivalent to a George. Got your 2 switches on the back. It's in very, very good condition. It's got the original pneumatic sticker on that. The 1000 watt motor and the other sticker. It doesn't have the sticker on the top of the little Henry type thing on there. Little MB250, like the cream and brown model, but yeah, it has the face, which is in very good condition, and the nose. Also has the cord hook, which is surprising here. The base on this is a bit manky, a bit soiled, needs sorting out, but the wheels are in very good condition. This is a wet dry cleaner, as I probably said, like a George. So it has a bypassed motor. It has a different plug. I've never really seen this plug in real life before. I know that Ultimate Vacman's got this plug on his David and his Edwards. But just remove the heads on this cleaner. I had to replace the little tube under here for this one, which is off a garden hose sprayer. It fits quite well in there. Motor's very rusty. It's been sitting for ages and the water was probably left inside, but that's okay. The filter on this is a bit soiled because it's run out of another Henry. A newer machine with a cloth on, and it also has just a cloth HEPA flow hoover bag in there, which I'll just fit it upside down. But I'll just put the heads back on this. Screw the hose on, like that, and then we'll just plug this in. Okay, and we'll put the hose onto the wands. Massive long hose this is, absolutely massive. So just put this on here, like that. Move this over here. Just do a couple of strokes backwards and forwards, and that should be the video done. So here we go. So, yeah, it's done quite a good video. No, quite good performance of that there. cable back onto the hook on the back, and there's that demo of that Nuvac. Please like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.